Oh, show your stuff. Oh, yeah, you're going to be a happy boy, huh? I know you need a nap, but you're going to be happy? Yeah? Oh, yeah, such a good boy. Oh, my goodness. You want to show him how you roll over? Huh? Show him how you roll over. Yeah. Is Grammy babysitting you? Uh-huh. Binka, binka, binka. Do, 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 do. Blurp. Pinkaboo. Oh, my goodness. You suppose we could get those teeth? Oh, you can just barely see them. You gotta look fast. Yeah, I know you're trying to grab this camera. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. After Grandpa Jim's papers. There he goes. Look at that hair. Oh my gosh, that is Zoe hair. That is Zoe hair. Yeah. Hi, baby. I wouldn't think that would taste very good. And that's a little Zoe silhouette, too. Oh, yuckies. Hello? Oh. Whoa. Good catch, Grammy. Good catch. Let's get you away from the edge of the bed. Woo! Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Uh-oh. There goes the camera. Okay, that's it for this one. Getting too long. Ah, grabby, grabby, grabby.